Hi, are you looking for simple, holistic health solutions for your health issues, which could be frequent colds, flus, chronic conditions, where you're tired of taking medication? It could be aches and pains, degenerative knee, back, suffering from pain and frequent injuries. Well, the good news is BodyTalk system is a holistic healthcare system, and there is a simple self-help program which is called BodyTalk Access seminar, which is taught over 5 to 6 hours of a workshop setting online, where you learn simple techniques to look after your health. So in everyday stresses of our life, our body goes through lots of stress, and the stress can translate into diseases, imbalances, impacting your immune system, creating chronic conditions. So in BodyTalk Access seminar, you'll be learning techniques to optimize your brain. So imagine if you could run a reset on your computer and refresh the computer which is sort of lagging. That's what this Codices technique is all about. Running a reset on your nervous system, optimizing the centers of the brain to function optimum. Then you'll be learning another technique for stress release. So imagine having this simple tool where you can run a reset on your stress thresholds, which would translate in your life being in any stressful environment and still being totally calm, composed, and able to deal with it in a coherent way, functioning way. You'll be learning tools and techniques for optimizing your immune system. So if you're coming down with chronic conditions, which could be allergies, skin rashes, autoimmune conditions, or frequent colds and flus, lingering stuff, this simple technique, once you are practicing it on everyday basis, would sort of optimize your immune system to identify the pathogens and activate your immune system to produce its own antibodies to clear it, as well as it would clear all the chronic conditions. Another technique that you learn in BodyTalk Access is for cellular hydration. Now, cellular dehydration is one core component behind inflammation and lots of different health conditions. So when you talk about inflammation, it's hydration. We store emotions in water molecules. When water is not absorbed in the nervous system, it will translate into migraines, headaches, and a lot of autoimmune conditions. So learning simple, profound techniques on supporting the body so it can absorb water. We are made up of 80% of water, and that is the most crucial component of our body-mind. So managing and optimizing cellular hydration. Another technique that you learn in BodyTalk Access is for your postural correction. So in simple words, it would be like benefits of acupuncture within few minutes without needles. Does that sound amazing? Well, these simple techniques for optimizing your musculoskeletal alignment, postural issues is combination of Chinese medicine, working with meridians, and concepts of osteopathy. So you'll be learning these set of 5 techniques which you could implement on yourself on everyday basis and see profound results. So I have seen people with chronic conditions, anaphylactic allergies, frequent colds and flus, autoimmune conditions, where they have used these simple set of techniques by themselves at home and seen amazing results. I've seen people booked in for surgeries for the degenerative knee, arthritic conditions, aches and pains. There was one with cervical condition, and using these techniques profoundly helped them optimizing the posture and alignment. So injuries, infections, if they are common story in your life, taking a lot of your time and energy, this seminar and application of these simple techniques in your everyday life would shift all those medical conditions and give you that proper alignment. So it was one of the simplest and the best self-empowerment tool that I have come across, especially if you've got young kids and you are reluctant to keep putting them on medication. This could be extremely helpful for their focus, concentration, optimizing your immune system. It could be amazing for elderly care. So if you've got caregivers looking after your elderly who are debilitated with poor immune system, aches and pains, and mobility issue, amazing seminar to learn and use it to optimize their health. So check out my website for more information and upcoming information on upcoming Access webinars. Thank you.